an existing LCD TV has broken or deformed, because in the cost of replacing the LCD TV panel and purchasing a new LCD TV is immaterial. Right? So this is the answer. It is straightly you can taken from the case study. Right? LCD TV users, right, frequently purchase a new television when panel of an has broken, because difference in the cost of replacing LCD is immaterial. Right? So this is the opportunity. Right? Copy it and paste. Right? Because the repairing costs, because there is no there is the repair in the LCD TV or replacing new LCD TV panel is a very costly thing. It's the cost is same as to buy, cost is same as the new television. So instead of replacing the panel, right, you can buy a new TV, right? But if someone can repair this LCD panel in a low cost, right, that is business opportunity, right? So then people will go there and repair his or her LCD TV panel, not replace it, right? So that is the business opportunity, right? So then what is the business idea? What is the business idea?
To start the business in testing, repairing, and replacing LCD TV panels.
Yes, very well. Right, so that is the business idea, right? Start a business in testing, repairing, and replacing LCD TV panels. So that is the business idea. Very kind. Right? Okay. So this is the answer to the first question, right? So next we'll move to the second question. What is the second question?
Sir, may answer, sir.
දැන් ඔයගොල්ලොත් එක්ක ඩිස්කස් කරලා මම මේක හැම පුරවනවා. ඊට පස්සේ ඔන්න මම මේක ෂෙයා කරන්න. Right. So carry out the macro environment analysis in respect of the business idea. Use the pest analysis. Right. Now what is the pest analysis? Right. First tell me what is the pest? What is the pest analysis? What do you mean by pest?
We can using political environment, economical environment, and social and technological environment.
Yeah. So what are the factors in the political environment in this case?
In this case, political environment, government assistance for environment friendly.
Yes, that can be taken. Government assistance for
environmental friendly.
Environmental friendly. Right, so that can be taken. What else? What else? What are the things that you have brought? Share your answers.
Ravi's father is working in Export Development Board, so they can use this opportunity to export some repaired
No, that is not the political. Fine. Right. So this, yeah, the chat questions, the chat say no special, no need for special approval, right? So we can say government rules and regulation in respect of electronic industry. Right? Government rules and regulation in respect of electronic industry. Right? What else? What else? Yeah, government tax. Government tax. Policies and policies of the government, right? Policies of the government, right? That can be taken. What else? What else? Any other thing? Any other idea? Government tax I already taken. Right? So what happened? Import restrictions imposed by the government. Import restriction imposed by the government. Right? So in this political aspect, you have to write only the political side. What are the factors in the political aspect? Right? Don't miss other thing. Just focus on the political aspect. Right? Government assistance, government rules and regulation, government access, policies of the government restrictions. Right? Uh, focus on that aspect in the political, right? So right, then move economical side. Economic side. What are the factors for economic side that you must consider when evaluating the macro environment? What are the economic factors that you must consider? Share your ideas. Yes, income status, right? Income status of the household or families, right? Over there. මේ TV එහෙම ගොඩක් බලන්න household නේ families එතකොට LCD එකක් ගන්න ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ ආදායම බලපානවා. ඒගොල්ලන්ට ප්‍රමාණවත් ආදායමක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ LCD එකක් ගන්න. So income status of the family, that is a economic factor, right? What are other things, right? Yes, very good. Increasing shipping charges, right? Increasing import charges, right? Increasing import charges, right? For an example, shipping charges, right? Import tax, right? Import levies, increase in import charges. What else? Economic growth rate, it is can be taken, but you have to link with this case study, right? Yes, very good. Interest rate, right? Interest rate. Interest rate. Very good, right? So why? Because in this case study, he is looking for a loan, right? He is looking for a bank loan, right? So interest rate, yeah, it is a very good economic factor that affect into his business, right? What else? What else? Any idea? No, supplier credit is not a economic factor, but it is a financial source. Right? What else? Any idea? So depreciation of foreign currency. Right? Depreciation of foreign currency. Depreciation of Sri Lankan rupee against USD. Right? Depreciation of Sri Lankan rupee against USD. Right? Why? Because he is right. He is focused to get the technical training from India. Right? Machinery and equipment. He is expecting to import these items. Right? So that the depreciation of the foreign currency is directly affecting to his business, right? His import cost will be high, right? So that is a economic factor. Depreciation of Sri Lankan rupee against USD, right? What else? What else? What else? Yeah, exchange rate we take an economic growth. It's a no, it's a broad. It's a broad. How can you relate it to this? So that is the uh, economic growth rate is essential for every business. That is that. It's a broad idea, right? What else? Inflation rate of the household. Inflation rate of the country. How this happen? How this impact to the business, right? When the inflation rate is high, right? So people have saved their money for essential items like foods, right? Medicines, right? Education. They are not save. They are not keep their money for purchase new TV or repair new TV, repair the existing TV, right? So they are kept the priority for these items because inflation is very much high and their income is not growth as an inflation rate, right? ආදාය උද්දමනයත් එක්ක ආදායම වර්ධනය වෙන්නේ නැත්නම් උද්දමනය වැඩි වෙනවා නම්, right? එතකොට මිනිස්සු essential අත්‍යවශ්‍ය දේවල් වලට priority දෙනවා. ප්‍රමුඛතාවය දෙනවා. මොනවටද අත්‍යවශ්‍ය දේවල්? foods, right? Medicine, right? Education, everything priority එක දෙන්න. ඒතර අනිත් ඒවා ටික ටික හැලිලා යනවා. අනිත් ඒවා priority එක දෙනවා අඩු. එතකොට දැන් LCD TV repair එකක් කරනවා කියන්නේ essentialම දෙයක් නෙමෙයිනේ, right? So the inflation එක වැඩි වෙනකොට, right? අපි ඒ වලට තියෙන priority එක අඩු වෙනවා. එතකොට අපිට එන business ප්‍රමාණය අඩු වෙනවා. So inflation rate of the country affecting to this business, right? And the inflation rate is going up, right? People income is not increasing uh, 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 as per the inflation rate, right? So people will try to save money, right? And try to spend their money only for the essential items. What are the essential items? Such as education, foods, medicine, right? So since this business repairing LCD TV panel is not an essential item, people are not bothered about. They don't care about this, right? Because inflation rate is going up, right? So they are saving their money for the essential item. So they don't have that much of business, right? So that is another economic fact, right? So then, what are the social factors, right? So unmute your mics and answer. What are the social factors, right? What are the social factors? What are the social factors? Answer the questions. What are the social factors?
Low level customer condition in repairing LCD panel.
Low level customer
Condition repairing LCD panel.
no, that is not relevant. What is the social factors? What are the social factors? Right? You have to relate it to the current trends, current social trends, right? What are the social trends? Someone trade population of growth. Yes, population in the society who has LCD TV. Right? Population LCD TV තියෙන ජනගහන. Right? Link to the case study. Those social factors try to link to the case study, right? And identify the current social trends and link to the case study, right? So that is the requirement in this exercise, right? So social aspect, you must consider the society. What are the, so I have go to my theory notes, right? So in the environmental analysis, I did this social factor, right? Take down those factors and link to the case study, right? So that is the expectation of this case study, right? Population in the society who has a LCD TV, right? So that is another one social factor. What are others?
People like to buy different size LCD TVs and it's a trending. And so if someone get if some people get a big LCD TV, so that's repair is if it can repair and it is effective for them.
Check. No, that cannot be taken.
People like to get repair their LCD TV panel with low costly.
Yes, but that is, yeah, that is the opportunity. That is the business opportunity, right? So what happened, right? So yeah, so currently, right, there's a trend in the society, right? Uh, the more elderly people are more in the a, the 60 plus age above 60, right? People are more in the population in Sri Lanka. There's a trend, right? So as you know, right, mostly the elderly people watch these televisions, right? Elderly people watch this television. So, right, so increasing the elderly population is a very good to this business, right? Because they are more consuming the TVs, right? So increasing the elderly population in the country, right? So that is another trend happened in the social environment, right? So try to link, right? Uh, and yeah, exactly. Growth in retired people. That means increasing the elderly people in Sri Lanka, right? Another thing is what these days, right? Due to this COVID situation, right? Uh, mostly children are in with the TV, right? So they are educate, they are do their learnings from the TV now, right? Because there is a separate TV channel, right? Though they are online teaching, right? So right, increasing distance learning due to COVID-19, due to COVID pandemic, right? So that is another uh, factor. That low level of customer confidence, that one uh, uh, one of the students say low level of customer confidence that can be taken, yes. Low level of customer confidence, uh, right, in respecting of repairing LCD panels, right, that can be taken, yes. right? That is the society one, right? So I'm comparing with the answers of the B2 batch of your answers, right? Okay, then what are the technological factors? What are the technological factors? What are the technological factors?
Positive response from Barnes and Soflogic Group for technical partner.
Mm, mm, that is not exactly the technological factor, right? That is not exactly the technological, right? Right? Oh yes, new technologies in respect of preparing LCD TVs, right? New technologies, right? Repairing LCD TVs, right? What else in the chat? Availability of Chinese and Indian equipment with appropriate technology. No, that is not exactly a technological factor, right? Power cost reduced LCD. What else? What else? What happened? People are now moving to, right? What is the answer? Owner can provide training. No, owner can. That is not the technology, right? So nowadays, right? Most of the youth are moving. They are not watching television, right? Right? They are in the social media platform, right? They are in the Facebook. They are in the YouTube. They are in the LinkedIn. They are in the Instagram, right? They are in the WhatsApp, Viber. They are more in the social media platform. They are not engaging with the television, right? So increasing the social increase the popularity of social media. Increase the popularity of social media, right? People are now move away from the television, right? So even most of the television drama we watch it on YouTube, right? So that is the kind of trend that's happening in the Sri Lanka right now, right? So that is the technological factor, increased popularity of social media, right? What else? Right? What else? What else? Give your thoughts. That is why I gave you 2 hours to think, think and answer, right? So then we have a good bunch of answers, right? Because in the entrepreneur, there is no right and wrong answers. There is no wrong answers. If you write an answer with a logic, right, you will be awarded the marks, right? If the answer is logic with the it is with the theory, with the logic, right? You will be awarded the marks. There is no right or wrong answers, but answer should be in line with the theory, right? So you can write anything, right? Anything that is in line with the theory. So you will be awarded marks, right? There is no right and wrong answer. It is already always depend on the logic you write behind it, right? Using low electrical power to LCD, therefore people used to no. No, that can be taken. Now what happened now, right? The most down, there are more online, right? Online consultancy program available, right? Online teaching available, right? So what happened? This if the repair the if this repair LCD repairing kind of thing can be teach through online consultants. So people like to learn these days, right? So they can learn through the online how to repair these kind of things, right? So that if the people can repair by themselves, right? So they don't need to go for the shop to repair, right? So they can repair it, right? Online consultancy programs for LCD TV repair, right? So think like that, right? Think like that, so that don't stick only to the case study, right? Think broadly, right? Think broadly. Case study case study එකේ සමහර උත්තර තියෙනවා ඒකටම විතරක් stick වෙන්න එපා. Broadly හිතන්න. එතකොට answers එනවා logically. If you write in the logical answer, right, I will awarded the marks. Right? The answers are not, all answers are not in the case study, right? Don't stick only to the case study. Think broadly, right? What's happening currently right now in Sri Lanka, right? What is the situation in Sri Lanka, right? What is the impact to this business if this happen, right? Then you can write lot of answers, right? Okay, now we have a good pest analysis, right? We have a good pest analysis, right? Okay, now what is the third question? Identify strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. What are the strengths? What are the strengths? What are the strengths of this business? Yes, very good. Both Ravi and Raja, right? They have a they are graduated from the university. They have a knowledge, right? Knowledge in repairing LCD TV panels, right? That is their strength. What else? Yes, exactly. Family background, right? Because Ravi's one of the part, Ravi or Raja, I can't remember. One of the father is a businessman and other is in the export development, right? Family background. Family background of Ravi and Raja. Right? Very good. What else? What else? Unmute your mic and answer. What else? Doesn't matter it's right or wrong. What else? What else? What else? Any idea? Easy supplier agreement. Easy supplier agreement. Easy supplier agreement. It is not the strength. They have money and they can find sponsor because their fathers have business friends. Yeah, that can be taken, but not like that. We can say they are networks. They are networks. Networks because uh, uh, Ravi's and Raja's father are businessmen, and one of father businessman, and one of father is an export developer. They have a very good people network, and Ravi and Raja, they are in the university, so they are too has a very good network, right? People network, strong, right? They also have good people network, strong people network. What else? Availability of equipment with appropriate technology. It is not the strength, it is the opportunity, right? It is the opportunity, right? So, because that is the external thing, right? That is the external thing. If you see, if you analyzing the internal environment, right? What are the internal? You have to analyze the resources of this business, right? Then only you get strength and weaknesses, right? If you do the test analysis, then only you can take opportunities and threats, right? So strength, you have to analyze the internal side of the business, right? Knowledge in repairing LCD tube, it's internal. Family background of Ravi and Raj is internal. Strong people network, internal, right? So those are the strengths. Right. What are the weaknesses? What are the weaknesses? What are the weaknesses? Any idea? Unmute your mic and answer. What are the weaknesses? Just think and answer. Not enough money to start. Yes, yes. Very good, very good. Very good. Lack of finance. Very good. Lack of experience in the field. Very good. Very well. Very well done. Lack of experience in the field. What else? What else? What else? Introduction of new technology. No, that is not the weaknesses. Weakness. What else? Customers like to engage with new technologies. Customers like to engage in new technologies, but they don't have the relevant experience. So we have write it now, right? They don't have a experience, right? Less raw material, yes. Even B2 batch said that shortage of raw material. It can be taken, it is a 50-50 thing, right? Yes, can be taken, shortage of raw material can be taken, and it can be considered as a threat also, right? That can be, it's a 50-50 kind of thing, right? What else? Any idea? Right? Because of the new business, it is difficult to come same level with the other famous business in the same field. That is the threat. Threat from competitor. That is the threat, right? That is the external thing, right? So these guys don't have the knowledge in managing finance, right? So lack of, right, knowledge in administration, right? Administration and finance management, right? Because they don't have any knowledge in the how to administration, rule, laws in related to the business, right? They don't have knowledge, right? What are the laws affecting to their businesses, right? Because they are the technical guys, right? So they don't have a lack of knowledge. They don't have a required knowledge for administering the businesses, right? For how to manage the finances, right? So that kind of thing can be taken as a weaknesses, right? Then what are the opportunities? Then what are the opportunities? Right? What are the opportunities? What are the opportunities? What are the opportunities? Availability of, yes, that is the opportunity. Availability of equipment with appropriate technology. Very good. That is the opportunity. Right? That is the opportunity. Supply agreed on easy terms. Yes. Supplier terms and easy supplier terms and condition. easy supply terms and conditions, right? Sorry, this there is a now since this is I prepared in the last year, right? I was last year in the sense 2020 January I prepared this question, so I was taken this as a no import restriction, but nowadays there's an import restriction, right? So there's an import restriction, right? So the no should be eliminated, right? Now there's an import restriction. Sorry, I made a mistake in there, right? Right. No import restriction import restriction here, right? So that is not the opportunity, that is a now threat. That is a now threat, right? So I changed the case study also. Sorry for that mistake. Right. What else? What else? What else? Share your thoughts. Right. So it's opportunity and threats. It's very easy to identify, right? Because you have already done the pest analysis, right? You have already done the pest analysis, right? So in the pest analysis, what is the objective? To find out the opportunities and threats, right? Through the pest analysis, you can find the opportunities and threats, right? Let's see what is in the chat. Owner can provide training. Yes, that is the opportunity, right? Owner can increase the yes, increase in the elderly retired people, increase the distance learning in the pandemic. Very good. These are the opportunities, right? These are the opportunities, right? Increase the elderly retired people, increase the distance learning in the pandemic, right? These are the opportunities, right? If you go to the right, this political environment, right? Government assistance for environmental friendly initiatives, right? That is the opportunity also, right? That is the opportunity. That is the political factor, and that is the opportunity, right? Government rules and regulations, right? Adverse policies of the government, no, favorable policies of the government, right? Import restriction is the threat, right? So we can take, right, government assistance for friendly initiatives. That is the opportunity. I said, oh, right? Government rules and regulation in respect of the technical industry. This can be opportunity or this can be threat, right? We don't know what is the government rules and regulation. It can be either opportunity, it can be either threat. Government tax, right? If it is increase, if it is increase, right, it is a threat, right? Now the taxes are reduced now. Now taxes, when this government came to power, taxes reduced, right? So that is the opportunity, right? Decrease, that is the opportunity, right? Favorable policies of the government is the opportunity. Import restriction imposed by the government is a threat now. Is a threat, right? Positive response from the advance and so very good. That is the opportunity. Positive response from the advance and positive response from the advance of logic growth. That is the opportunity. Yeah. Right. So when it comes to the economic side, right? Interest rate is low right now, right? Low interest rate, right? Low interest rate. Low interest rate, right? This is a threat for population in the society, right? LCD TV increase the LDL, we wrote that low level of cost, right? Right. So these are the opportunities. So if we go to the right case study, right? Let's see what are the things that we can take, right? I remember someone said consumer preference for cost-effective solutions as a social environment factor. That can be taken. Yes, yes, that can be taken. Right, that can be taken. Right, because that is the change happening in the social environment. Right, consumer preference for cost-effective solution. It is a social environment factor that can be taken. Right. So what are the opportunities? I think we have technical training from India, right? Technical training from India, it is opportunity, right? Easy terms we use. Supply easy terms, I think we wrote easy pay supply terms, right? Technical training in India, right? That is the opportunity, right? I think that's we have done it. We have done a lot of opportunities, right? Then what are the threats? What are the threats? What are the threats? Any idea? Any idea? Yes, competitors. Online consultancy program, yes. Competitors. Online consultancy program. What else? Yes, growth of social media interest. Very good. Growth of social media interest. What else? What else? Increased cost of machineries. Yes, that can be taken. Increase increase of import charges. Increase of import charges. Currency depreciation. Currency depreciation. Yes, low level of customer confidence in repairing. Yes, low level of customer confidence in repair. What else? What else? What else? What else? You have to answer the question. Other TV repair technology company, yeah, that is competitors. Other TV repair technology companies, that means competitors. We already right. Right? What else? So I think we have right fair enough of points under the threads, right? So that's it. 2 to 3 points. That's enough, right? You will be awarded full marks if you write 2 to 3 points under each element, right? Okay, then go to the question number 4. Justify the target market of the business and explain the promotion strategies that can be implemented. Okay, so what is the target market? What is the target market? Yes. Families with LCD TV. Right? Or LCD TV users. Is the one target mark. What else? තව එකක් තියෙනවා. තව එකක් තියෙනවා please. Can someone identify and tell? Exactly. Abans and Soflogic partnerships. Exactly. Abans and Soflogic dealers. Right? So that is another target market, right? So they can be a repairing partner of these companies. This business can be a repairing partner of Abans, repairing partner of the Soflogic, repairing partner of the Zinger, right? So that is another target market, right? Very good. So then what are the promotion strategies? What are the promotion strategies? Yes, very good. Advertisement. Advertisement. What else? Posters, yeah. Posters. What else? Social media, very good. Social media advertising campaign. What else? Yes. handbills, leaflets, distribution. What else? Yeah, electronic media. This can be right. Advertisement in electronic media. Right? Advertisement in electronic media. What else? Any other ideas? Just unmute your mic and answer without putting all the answers in the chat box. Right? What else? Yeah, websites, brochures, yes. Advertising in websites, brochures. Yes, very good. What else? Any idea? Yes. SMS advertising campaign. Very good. Newspapers. Yes, print media. Advertisement in print media. Newspapers. Such as newspapers. Any idea? Any idea? Giving offers and promotion. Yes, that can be taken. Giving offers promotion. Right? Radio can be taken in the electronic media. No, it is a electronic media. Advertisement in electronic media, TV and radio advertisement. Right? I think we have given a list of promotion strategies. Right? So on the chat, collaboration and sponsorships. Yes, can be taken. Sponsorships, right? Collaborations and sponsorships. මේවනම් කරන්න ඕනේ මේ ස්පොන්සර්ෂිප් එහෙම නම් කරන්න ඕනේ බිස්නස් එක පටන් ගෙන ටිකක් කාලයක් ගියාට පස්සේ right so at the initial you can't afford no right collaboration and sponsorship yes advertising yeah. Right I think we have wrote a list of advertising promotion strategies right I think that's enough so then question number 5 is the question number 5. Question number 5. Right. What is the ownership type of the venture? What are the advantage and disadvantage of such type of ownership? What is the ownership type? What is the ownership type?
Partnership.
Yes, very good. Very good. Partnership business. Then what are the advantage and disadvantage? What are the advantage first? Advantage of partnership business. What are the advantage? Yeah, sharing knowledge and skill. Yeah, sharing losses, right? Sharing knowledge. Sharing resources, yes, sharing resources, right? What else? Yes, sharing management of the business, right? Sharing management of the business. More capital. What else? What else? Just unmute your mic and answer. What else? Yes, can increase capacity, yes. Any other ideas? Yeah, better decision making. And what are the disadvantages? What are the disadvantages? Yes, share the profit. Yes, share the profit. What else? Yeah, loss of autonomy, unlimited liability. Yeah, very good. Limited life of the organization. Yes, very good. Yeah, difficulty of transferring the ownership, right? Emotional issues can be taken, yes. Unlimited liability, yes. What else? There's a one strong disadvantage. What is that? What is that? There's another very strong disadvantage. What is that? There's a strong disadvantage. Liabilities we already got. There's a strong disadvantage. Right? What is that? Difference of thought, yes, that can be taken, but I want there's a very strong disadvantage for the partnership. What is that? limited access, yes, can be. Join account, no, join account. You miss in the partnership business, right? There is no legal aspect, right? Legal entity, right? Lack of not considering the business as a legal separate legal entity, right? නීතිය ඉදිරියේ වෙනම පුද්ගලයෙක් විදිහට පිළිගන්නේ නැහැ, right? So if someone want to sue, he has to sue against partners, right? Not the business, right? Pereira and Sons එකට විරුද්ධව නඩු දාන්න බෑ. ඒ පෙරේරාටයි ඒ අනිත් partnersට විරුද්ධව තමයි නඩු දාන්නේ, right? හැබැයි company එකට මේ separate legal entity එකක් විදියට පිළිගන්නේ. company නමට විරුද්ධව නඩු දාන්න පුළුවන්. shareholdersලට නඩු දාන්න බෑ. company ට තමයි නඩු දාන්නේ. right? ABC company private limited එකට නඩු දානවා. partnership එකේ Pereira and Sons එකට නඩු දාන්න බෑ. අදාළ partners ට තමයි නඩු දාන්න. right? Not considering the business as separate legal entity, right? In the partnership business, that business does not consider the separate legal entity in the courts, right? That is the huge disadvantage, right? So that is the answer for question number 5. Now question number 6. What is the question number 6? What are the steps that they should follow in order to register their business? Explain the documents. Right. What is the answer? What is the steps that they need to follow? Yes, they can get the partnership agreement. That is the first step. Okay. Right. And then what? Yes. Determine the business name. Determine the business name. Right. Then what? Yes, visiting a division secretary office. Visiting division secretarial office. Right. Then, right. So what are the documents that you need to collect in the division secretarial office? What are the documents? Right. What are the documents, right, that you need to collect? Right. Yeah, registration forms. Registration forms. Registration forms. Grama Niladhari report. Right. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to fill these documents. Fill these documents. Then what you have to do, right? Visit Grama Sevaka Niladhari. Visit Grama Sevaka Niladhari. Right. So what are the documents that you need to carry out? that you need to carry? Right? What are the documents? What are the documents do you need to carry when visiting the Grama Niladhari, right? Yeah, Grama Niladhari report. Grama Niladhari report, right? Registration, business registration documents, copy of the ID, right? What else? Yeah, business registration form, some map of business premises. Yes, map of, right? What else? How I can document that? What is that document? Right? How I can document that? Right? Why you need the consent letter, right? Consent letter or lease agreement. Consent letter of the property owner or lease agreement of the business property. Consent letter of the business property owner. Business එකේ property එකේ ඉන්න අයිතිකාරයාගේ කැමැත්ත දැක්වෙන ප්‍රකාශය. ඒක lease act බදු ගිවිසුමක් තියෙනවා නම් ඒක නැත්තම් අර. Right? Okay, so these are the documents, right? Then after you visit the Grama, then revisit the ES office. Right? So that is the steps, right? So that is the basically steps that you need to carry out when registering the business, right? Okay, question number 7. Question number 7. What are the challenges faced by Ravi and Raja when conducting the business? Right? What are the challenges? Right. I need your answers. What are the challenges? What are the challenges? I need your answers. What are the challenges? Both them have a different management style. Yes, very good. Government policy changes. That is the challenge. Different management styles can be taken, right? Can be taken. Government policy changes, yes. Then, yes, managing financial and administration, right? That is the challenge, right? Managing financial and administration. What else? Yes, obtaining customer loyalty. Obtaining customer loyalty. What else? What else? Demand, commitment, and consistency. Yes. The customer demand, consistency of the customer demand. What else? What else? What are the challenges? Yes, technology changes. Very good. Technology changes. What else? What else? What else? Any other idea? Any other idea? Any other idea? Unmute your mic and answer. Any other idea? So what happened if the suppliers increase their prices, right? Supplier price increase. Yes, natural disasters. Yes, very good. Natural disasters. Shortage of supplies. Shortage of supplies. Competitors. Competitors is another challenge. Any other idea? Exactly. Import difficulties. Import difficulties. Import difficulties. Any other idea? Any other idea? Committed companies. Committed companies retake, refuse their agreements. Yes, loss of customers. Right? Loss of customers. Customers to නැතිවීම. Loss of customers. Any idea? Loss of customers. Any idea? Any new ideas? Right, I think we have done lots of difficulties, challenges. We have listed down lot of challenges, right? Okay, then go to question number 8. So in question number 8, what is the question number 8? List down other sources available for Ravi and Raja to finance the business except finance sources mentioned in the case. Right. First of all, what are the finance sources mentioned in the case? Can someone tell what are the finance sources mentioned in the case? Yes, bank loan and supply credit. Yes, very good. So now you have to tell what are the other finance sources. What are the other finance sources, right? That's available to them to finance this business. So you have to tell other sources. What are those? Bank loan is already taken. Bank loan is there. Yes, leasing can be taken. Leasing can be taken.
Sometime Raja's or Ravi's father investment.
Yes, that can be taken. Owner equity. Raja's or Ravi's fathers, we can consider them as a own equity, right? So it is already there in the so Raja's and Ravi's, it is already there in the finance sources in the case, right? Own equity, right? What else? Can sell their shares, take some other financial partners. Yes, take some other financial partners. So we can call them as a external investment partners. Yes, external investment partners. External investment partners. Yes, that's a one way of financing. What are other methods? What are other methods? What are other methods? Sponsor. No, sponsor. Business eකට කවුරුත් sponsor කරන්නේ. Right? Bank loan you cannot take because it is already there in the case.
Entrepreneurship grant money.
Yes, exactly. Government grants. Government grants for entrepreneurs. Government again, they know grants entrepreneurs. Exactly. What else? Think and answer. What else? What else? What else? Just think and answer. Permit, what kind of permit? Yes, exactly. Venture funding. Well done. Venture capital. Venture capital funding. What else? Venture capital companies. What else? Business angels. Business angels. Right? Funding from business angels. What else? Return earnings. That is a funding for funding when business is already started, right? Not at the beginning, right? It is the internal funding. So you cannot take the return earnings here. Profit එකක් තිබ්බොත් නේ return earnings තියාගන්න පුළුවන්, right? So it is come after the business started, right? This is the initial funding required. Yeah, debentures, you cannot issue debentures for partnerships, right? Debentures can only issue for public limited companies. Even a private limited can't offer debentures, right? Partnership, you can't offer debentures, right? What are the other funding sources? Any other ideas? Yes, trade creditors, that is already there in the case of supply credit, right? We purchase credit basis, right? That is already there. Supply credit we take, right? That is the funding source that is in the case, right? What else? Any idea? What about NGO funding, non-government organizations, NGO funding? So there are certain NGOs who help for the entrepreneurs, right? So I think we had a list of funding sources, right? So only 3 or 4. If you can write 3 or 4, that will be enough to get full marks, right? Okay. Then question number 9. Is the question number 9? Okay. Question number 9. What kind of strategies that Ravi and Raja can be used to manage cash position of the business? Yes, what are the strategies that can be used for Ravi and Raj to manage cash position? What are the strategies? What are the strategies? I need answers. What are the strategies that can be used? What are the strategies? I need answers.
They can record and maintain a daily or monthly cash flow document.
Yes. Monitoring, monitoring cash inflows and cash outflows. Yes. What else? What else?
Create financial statements.
Yes, that is a extension of the recording of cash inflows and outflows. ඒක ultimate එක තමයි ඒක කොහොමත් record කරලානේ තියෙන්නේ. So both are same, right? Yes, cost cutting, not the cost cutting, cost restructuring can be used as a cost cutting, but more restructuring is the more beautiful word, not cost cutting. Without saying cost cutting, we can say cost restructuring, right? What else? What else? What else? Any idea? Price positioning? No. No. That is not a strategy. Any idea? Yes, we have already maintained finance document. Increase market share, no. What else? What else? Right. So if you can go to that slide, right, managing cash positions, I think I have teach you. So cash flow management slide, if you can go there, you can find lots of strategies, right? You can, right, you can find lots of strategies, right? I have given lots of strategies, right? So these are the strategies, right? Monitor cash regularly, cost cutting or cost restructuring, right? Cost restructuring is a better word, right? Cash in on asset, right? Lease equipment instead of buying it, right? Invoicing, get paid faster, use credit card payments, right? Offering deals for advance payment, right? Delay payments to your vendors, minimize cost of finance, investing excess money wisely. So these are the strategies, right? Lots of strategies are there. So you can right, go through that slide, and all are there in that slide, right? Okay. Right. Go to that slide. Go to cash flow management slide. So all these things I have teach, right? All are there in your slides, right? I already shared that presentation. That cash flow presentation I already shared. Right? I think I shared already. Right. So yes, so that is the end. Okay. So that is the answers for these 9 questions. Right. So this is the type of questions. Right. This is how the exam. I think these questions have already 50 to 40 marks. Right. So part A questions like that. So when it comes to the part B, right, it is more theoretical questions, right? It is more theoretical question. Entrepreneur, right? So we have do certain questions in your assignments also, right? What is the social entrepreneurship? Sankara will do that, right? Business business model, right? So what is the theory part now Asanka sir is doing? What is the theory part?
So අපිට ටාගට් මාකටිං තමයි කරේ මේ ගිය සතියේ කරන්න හම්බුන්නේ නැහැ මේ අසංක සර්ට අසනීප වෙලා.
So I think එහෙනම් තව පාඩම් 3ක් විතර තියෙනවා ඔයගලන්ට ඉවර කරන්න නේ.
ඔව් සර්.
4ක් විතර තියෙනවා.
හෙට කරනවා කිව්වා හෙට එතකොට ගොඩක් වෙලාවට
right.
ඉවර කරේ පඩුවට.
Okay. Right, so go through that theory sessions, right? So it will be very useful, right? So later on I will tell what are the examinable areas, right? Tama paper එක තාම මුකුත්ම idea එකක් නැහැ paper එකට, right? So once I think I will share want to go through all the slides, right? I will tell which sites you want to go through, right? Basically the questions will come from the business models, right? So that is one of the target area, right? and questions will come from the social entrepreneurship slide, right? That will Asank sir will do, right? And business environment, right? Marketing, identifying customers, right? Very first topic, entrepreneurs, right? So I will tell what are the study that you need to study to go for the exam, right? So I am planning to not to that already you have done the management organization part. That slide. Think that I'm not I'm not making questions from that session, right? Managing organization presentation, right? Right. Once I am done with the paper, right? I will share the examinable areas, which areas that you should go through thoroughly to face the exam, right? So then you can focus on that areas when you study, right? Okay, so I think my lecture series is over, right? Hope you learn something in the subject of entrepreneur, right? So we have started this module on March 15th. So already three and a half a month, right? We have taken for this module, right? I think we have learned something, right? Still few theory parts are to be done, right? So Asanka sir will cover the rest of it. So, right. So I think, yes,
Hello
that is,
sir.
yeah.
මේ සර් අපේ අර කලින් අසයින්මන්ට් අප්ලෝඩ් කරපු තැන සමහරුන්ගේ ඩිලීට් වෙලා කිව්වනේ. සර් අර ලිස්ට් එක දෙනවා කිව්ව නේද අපිට තියෙන අයගෙන කියලා.
ඒක මම මේ දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ බිස්නස් ප්ලෑන් එකත් අප්ලෝඩ් කරනවානේ. එතකොට මම මේ අසයින්මන්ට් හතරෙම එකටම එවන්න ලිස්ට් එක මේ කට්ටියගේ තියෙනවා අසයින්මන්ට්ස් මේ අසයින්මන්ට් මේගොල්ලන්ගේ තියෙනවා මේ අසයින්මන්ට් එක නැහැ කියලා ලිස්ට් එක එවන්න.
සර් මේ අපිට ජූලි 2නේ බිස්නස් ප්ලෑන් එකේ ඩෙඩ්ලයින් එක තිබුණේ. එතකොට මේ තාම අර ඉවර නෑනේ අපිට ඒක කල් යනවා නේද ඩේට් එක?
නෑනේ ජූලි 2 ඔයගලන්ගේ ඉවරයිනේ මොඩියුල් එක. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ ඔයගලන්ගේ මේ සෙෂන්ස් ඉවරයිනේ ජූලි 2. ඊට පස්සේ ඔයගලන්ගේ අලුත් මොඩියුල් එකක් පටන්
නෑ දෙක කියන්නේ දෙකේනේ සිකුරාදා හරි එහෙම නේද සර් මේ අපිට තාම ආසංක සර් අනිත් මේ තුන ඉගෙනුවේ නෑනේ බිස්නස් ප්ලෑන් එකේ ඩෙඩ්ලයින් එක මම හෙව්වේ.
ඔව් ඒක තමයි අසංස මම හිතන්නේ මේ වීක් එකේ
ඉවර කරා.
ඔව් ඔයගලන්ට තව තියෙන්නේ රිස්ක් එක විතරයිනේ නේ බිස්නස් ප්ලෑන් බිස්නස් ප්ලෑන් එකේ රිස්ක් එක විතරයි මේ ලියන්න තියෙන්නේ. මේ අනිත් ඒවා ටික ඔල්රෙඩි ඩන්. අනිත් ඒවා ටික කරලා තියෙන්නේ.
හරි. හරි. එතකොට ඩෙඩ්ලයින් එක දෙවෙනිද මනේ?
දෙවෙනිද තමයි ඩෙඩ්ලයින් එක. ඒතොර රිස්ක් එක පොඩ්ඩක් මේ අර මම ෂෙයා කරලා තියෙන්නේ මේ බිස්නස් ප්ලෑන් එක. එතකොට ඒකත් එක්ක පොඩ්ඩක් බලලා රිස්ක් එක ඒ විදිහට ලියන්න. රිස්ක් පාර්ට් එක. අනිත් ටික ඔල්රෙඩි දන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ. ඒතකොට ඒ ටික කරලා දෙන්න.
හරි සර් thank you.
Right. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. So then we can wrap up the today's session, right? So thank you very much for participating during this lecture from the month of March, right? So I think I have covered few theory parts, initial theory parts, and then I have covered the practical parts of the entrepreneurship module, right? So Asanka sir will continue the rest of the theory, right? There's a question, chat question. Sir, can send what are the lessons in exams? Still I am not, that is why I will send an email. Once I prepare the question paper, these are the examinable areas, right, that you should focus, right? So still I'm not even thinking about to prepare the paper, right? So I can't tell right now what are the examinable areas, right? So once I prepare the paper, I will share the examinable areas. This presentation you have to follow, right? So you don't need to go through the all the presentations, right? Just the few things I have already shared, which are in my mind, right? Those business plan, right? Social entrepreneurship, right? That very first lesson in entrepreneurs, who is the entrepreneur, business environment. So there are a few things in my mind that I'm expecting to put in the questions, right? So the question paper is part A and part B, right? Part A is typically the case study like this, right? Or one case study or two case study, right? So similar type of questions will come, right? Based on the case study, you have to answer, right? So I'm giving a little bit of practice for your exam, and basically this is the last semester exam question, right? This is the past paper exam you are did right now, right? I think this question consists 40 marks. These 9 questions consist 40 marks, right? So it's not that difficult entrepreneurship paper, right? There is no right and wrong answers, right? So what you have to do is you have to write logically, right? If you write logically, right, that you will award a mark, right? According to the theory, right? So be good in the theory, right? Then you have to apply in the question paper, right? So that is the things that I want to share with you, right? Okay, then thank you very much for participating, right? We will meet in some other module. I don't know, but we hope we will meet on some other module in your next 2 years in your university life, right? Thank you very much for participating, right? Good night.
Thank you, sir.